Welcome back, students, to our EVS class. Today, we are going to learn lesson number 23, that is growing up and growing old. Now, students, can you tell in this picture what is the boy's mother in this picture wearing? Then, what is his sister wearing? What is the color of the grandfather's shirt? What is the color of his father's shirt? How did you guess who the mother is and who the sister is? How did you guess who the grandfather is and who the father is? You have recognized the grandfather with his white beard. Then you have recognized the mother that she is wearing a sari, and the girl, that is the sister of the brother, is wearing a dress. With all these features, you can identify who are they. Students, you were born in your family. A little baby is born in a family. Everyone is happy. The mother lovingly takes care of her baby. She baths the baby every day. She feeds it milk when it is hungry. She sings it to sleep with lullabies. Slowly, the baby grows. It becomes taller. Its weight also increases. As the baby grows up, it learns to crawl. Its teeth come out one by one. Then it learns to stand and later to walk. All this while it gains in height and weight. The baby learns to recognize its mother. It learns to recognize other people also. It begins to have other food. Mother feeds the baby rice with milk. Gradually, it begins to speak. Whether it is a boy or a girl, nature does not differentiate between the two in their growth. When they become bigger, they are not babies. A little boy becomes a big boy. A small girl becomes a big girl. Students, you all go to school. But do you know at what age did you started going to school? You were 3 to 4 years at that time you went to pre-primary school, that is junior KG, senior KG. But when you became 6 years old, you started going to primary school, that is from first standard. Children, you keep growing in height until the age of 18. Until 40 years of age, a person remains fit. There is no gain in height, but weight keeps increasing. Good habits and good food helps to maintain good health. We benefit from regular exercise. Even after 40 years of age, there are changes in our body. Gradually, eyesight becomes weak, hair starts turning gray. In old age, the body's strength decreases further. Hearing and memory become weaker. Teeth begin to fall. We sleep less and develop various disorders. But one day, unfortunately, death occurs. Do you know, students, a baby is given vaccines to prevent the disease it may contract later. Certain vaccines have to be given at certain stages of growth. It is important to give every child the proper vaccinations. Students, this is a mango tree. Mango tree also grows from a small plant to a big tree like babies. Just as people changes over a period of time, so do plants. When a seed sprouts or germinates, a new plant is produced. For the sprouts to grow, it must take root in the soil. The seedling absorbs water and some nutritious substances from the soil. The leaves begin to make food. The plant begins to grow. It gives out new leaves. It also begins to grow taller. At the proper stage of its growth, the plant begins to flower. Fruits develop from flowers. These fruits have seeds. From those seeds, new plants grow. Let us learn a new term, that is germination. What is germination? The sprouting of seeds is also known as germination. A tree must withstand the sun, wind, and rain all the time. Sometimes it is attacked by pests. This makes the tree weaker. At last, the tree trunk breaks. The tree falls down. All plants die. However, the causes are different. So, students, what we have learned in this lesson? There are certain stages of the growth and progress of a baby. A person continues to grow till the age of 18. After 40 years of age, a person approaches old age. Changes take place in plants with time, just as they do in people. Starting from germination in the soil, there are definite stages of the growth of plants. Plants also grow in height and strength. Animals or plants all come to an end eventually. Always remember, students, a proper diet and regular exercise are necessary for keeping good health. Thank you.